I'm Robert Bettis. I've been the chief meteorologist for KVEO TV in the Rio Grande Valley of South Texas for nearly 6 years. The RGV, or Valley, as we like to call it, is a beautiful tropical place. The eastern edge of the viewing area is the Gulf of Mexico, with the sandy, white beaches of South Padre Island. The western edge of the RGV is Falcon Lake, which is just 40 miles east of Laredo. From end to end, the valley is nearly 130 miles across. Valley weather is, in general, quite beautiful and quite warm. But the RGV is also an area of extreme weather events, including heat waves, severe thunderstorms, flash flooding, violent hailstorms, tornadic threats, and, in the worst extreme, tropical storms and hurricanes. Ironically, these tropical storms and hurricanes do not even have to originate in the Gulf of Mexico. Last October 23rd, Hurricane Patricia made landfall in Jalisco on the west coast of Mexico with winds of 150 miles per hour. The strongest hurricane on record in the Pacific passed all the way over central Mexico and flooded the RGV in several areas near the towns of Weslaco and Raymondville on October 24th. The Red Cross was forced to set up an emergency shelter for the flood victims. Though they do not happen often, direct hits of major hurricanes from the Gulf are the valley's #1 serious weather threat. Slow-moving Hurricane Dolly made landfall as a Category 1 storm on July 23, 2008 at South Padre Island. With 85-mile-per-hour winds, the storm caused 212,000 customers to lose power. It flooded most of the valley with an estimated 16 inches of rain in some areas. Thankfully, no one in the RGV died, but the storm caused an estimated $1.05 billion in damage and disrupted daily lives and businesses for weeks. The valley is normally fairly stable, meteorologically speaking, which inhibits the growth of strong storms. However, much like the panhandle of Texas, the atmosphere can turn very unstable very quickly. At least once a year for the last 6 years, I've had to issue a tornado warning as a squall line associated with a strong cold front sweeps through the RGV, causing hail, strong storms, and flooding. Though no tornadoes have touched down in my tenure, destructive and dangerous thunderstorms with tornadic potential have invaded our neck of the woods. Because of the potential for extreme and dangerous weather, I am committed to accurate forecasting, and we at News Center 23 are all committed to timely weather alerts and thorough weather coverage.